welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back.
Good morning. I'm okay. You should find another job though.
Why?
Because you guys are horrible.
What?
You guys are horrible.
What?
What's that?
What?
You're horrible at everything. You guys are a bunch of criminals and thugs, gang members, liars. Where do you want me to stop?
Well, I'm in search and rescue though.
Oh, I know. So you don't work for the sheriff's department?
No, I do.
Oh, okay. Well, hopefully you're not one of the bad ones because they got a bunch of thug, liar, gang members over here. So I'm going to go see if you know if Nanos is in today?
I'm not sure, sir.
All right, I'm going to go ask for him. Thanks, though. Good luck. Try not to violate anybody today. Fourth Amendment, search and rescue. Who's this guy? Speeding off. Was that Gaucho? Guru? Oh, look at this, a metal detector. So we get to go inside, huh? All right. What the fuck is this stuff?
How can we help you?
Yeah, I'm here to talk to the sheriff.
You here to talk to the sheriff?
Yes, sir.
Okay, give me a moment.
Thanks.
I think it's time for this country to take back our country. This is an issue of government transparency. We can't trust a government that does not trust its people. We're going to uncover the cover-up, and I hope this is just the beginning of more people coming forward about this.